Hello friends. I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my new tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to turn off read receipts on Messenger. If you want to maintain your privacy and prevent others from knowing when you've read their messages, stay tuned till the end of this video as I guide you through this simple process step by step. So, the first thing you need to do is open the Messenger app on your device. Now, tap on the three lines located in the upper left corner of the screen. Then, tap on the gear icon. Scroll down and in the Preferences section, select the Privacy and Safety option. Once you've done that, now in the What People See section, find the Read Receipts option and tap on it. After that, tap on the toggle switch for the Show Read Receipts option to turn it off. Great, you've now disabled read receipts. Other users won't see when you've read their messages, and you also won't be able to see when they've read your messages. That's all for this tutorial. I hope it was helpful to you. If it was, please like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon.